Most people think being interesting means being funny, talking a lot, having crazy stories, or being the loudest person in the room. But if you observe carefully, you'll find that the most interesting people are not usually the loudest. They are the ones who make others feel something: presence, curiosity, depth, confidence, energy. And today, more people than ever are becoming forgettable because social media is slowly turning everyone into the copies of each other. Same opinions, same slangs, same trends, same personality, which is why genuinely interesting people stand out immediately today. And in this video, I'll show you how to become more interesting as a person naturally, without pretending to be someone else, without being fake, and without forcing the confidence. Because becoming interesting is not about performing, it's about becoming someone who has depth. Let me start off with something important. People are not interested in perfection, they are interested in authenticity. Some people try too hard to look cool, and you can figure that out immediately. Forced jokes, fake confidence, trying to impress everyone. But truly interesting people are really comfortable with themselves, and that comfort creates presence. Confidence is interesting, desperation is exhausting, and that's why people naturally gravitate towards calm and confident people. Not because they are perfect, but because they feel real. Now, here's the first thing you need to understand if you want to become interesting: you need to build a life outside your phone. Because most people consume experiences more than they actually live it. They scroll through other people's life all day while their own life stays repetitive. Wake up, phone, college or work, phone, sleep. And then they wonder, why do I have nothing to say? Because interesting people usually have experience, perspectives, struggle, stories, skills, curiosity. They live, and life itself makes them interesting. So go outside more, travel, read books if possible, learn skills, try uncomfortable things, and definitely try to talk to different kinds of people, because your personality expands when your experiences expands. Second thing, stop trying to impress everyone. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make socially. They constantly tries to seek approval, and ironically, seeking approval makes people less attractive. Why? Because people can sense when you are trying too hard. Interesting people are not obsessed with being liked. They focus on being genuine. There's a huge difference. The moment you stop chasing validation, your personality becomes more attractive. Some people become interesting simply because they are unapologetically themselves. Not rude, not arrogant, just authentic. Now let's talk about communication. When many people think that they are boring, that is not the case. They simply don't know how to express themselves. You don't need a perfect personality, you need emotional presence. When someone talks to you, are you actually listening or just waiting for your turn to speak? Most conversations these days are shallow because people don't listen deeply anymore. Interesting people ask thoughtful questions, they notice details, they make people feel heard, and honestly, that alone can make someone memorable today because genuine attention is becoming rare. Here's another powerful truth: interesting people have opinions. Not copied opinions from the internet, real opinions. Thoughts formed through reflection and experience. Many people today are afraid to think independently. They simply repeat whatever sounds popular online. But depth comes from thinking for yourself. Ask yourself, what do I believe? What kind of life do I actually want? What matters to me? What kind of man or woman I want to become? People who think deeply usually speaks differently too. And depth in conversations is magnetic. Now let me say something that may surprise you. Silence can make you more interesting. Some people talk too much because they fear silence. But powerful people are comfortable with pauses, comfortable with calmness, comfortable not needing attention every single second. And this creates mystery. Not everything needs to be explained. Sometimes less talking creates more impact. That's why confident people talk slower, calmer, more intentionally. Their words carry weight because they don't seem to be throwing themselves everywhere. Another thing that makes someone more interesting is passion. Nothing is more interesting than a person who genuinely cares about something. Fitness, music, business, psychology, art, sports, communication, travel, books. Passion creates energy, and energy is contagious. You have probably noticed this before. Even if someone is talking about a topic that you know nothing about, if they speak with genuine excitement, you still enjoy listening because passion gives personality life. And that's why one of the fastest ways to become interesting is to become deeply interested in life itself. Curious people are rarely boring. Now, here's a harsh truth. Many people become socially dull because they spend too much time online instead of being around real human beings. Social skills are like muscles. If you stop using them, they'll weaken. That's why many people feel awkward in conversations. Not because they are inferior, but because they are out of practice. So, talk to people more, even if it feels uncomfortable initially. Speak to strangers, improve eye contact, learn storytelling, learn humor, learn emotional intelligence. Confidence grows through repetition, not overthinking. And please listen to this very carefully. You do not become interesting by pretending to be extraordinary. You become interesting by becoming emotionally alive, by having goals, having experience, depth, curiosity, purpose, presence. Because at the end of the day, people may forget what you have said, but they remember how you made them feel. And most interesting people are the ones who make others feel inspired, understood, calm, curious, energized, and emotionally connected. That's real charisma. Now let's talk about one habit that quietly destroys personality: constant consumption. When your entire life becomes scrolling, watching, reacting, consuming, your mind slowly loses originality. You stop creating your own thoughts, your own energy disappears, and eventually your personality becomes a collection of internet trends. And that's why solitude is important. Spend some alone time sometimes, without music, without social media, without distractions, because personality develops in silence too. That's where self-awareness grows. And here's something most people learn too late. Interesting people are not trying to be interesting every second. They are engaged with life. They notice things, observe people, think deeply, stay curious, keep evolving. The natural evolution makes them magnetic over time. Meanwhile, people who try too hard to look impressive usually exhaust, because authenticity always feels lighter than performance. So, if you genuinely want to become interesting, start building yourself. Read more, experience more, think more, speak better, listen carefully, develop skills, travel, take risks, learn stories, understand people, and most importantly, become comfortable with who you are. Because the strongest personalities are not built on imitation, they are built through self awareness. The goal is not to become someone anyone notices. The goal is to become someone people never forget after meeting once. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's a goodbye for now. See you in another video giving you insights on self growth and self development. This is Ravi Patidar signing off.